Welcome back to another review frame video with the company formerly known as VoogueMe, now known as Vooglam. They offer prescription and non-prescription frames that are extremely affordable. Make sure you guys use my promo code at the time of purchase to receive 15% off. Promo code Assunta. We're going to review 8 frames. Keep watching. Mixin. So I'm assuming that this means like duotone, the name Mixin. So you have black frame on the outside, okay, and then you have a white interior. This is a plastic frame. You got the white on the top, black on the bottom. Super cute with a red lip. Let's see how they look on. I love them. Oh my God. Listen. I got this shirt and I was like, definitely giving Cruella de Vil, okay? Modern day Cruella de Vil with, you know, this wig a little stiff at the bottom, but you still see it. You still see her. She coming through. What y'all think? Okay, so for my leopard print lovers, this frame is called Garza. You have your cat eye frame. The bottom has no frame on it, so it's frameless. Then you have the nice plastic black arms, super cute. Now I will say with these glasses, you want to watch your eyelashes. They cannot be too long because it will hit the frame because of how these fit on your face. But get into these. Get into it. So when you're wearing them, I would definitely say to take them to a eyeglass place to have them adjusted because you want them to sit up just like that. Can you see the difference when they're sitting on my face? That rim right here kind of blocks my view. And so I'm gonna have the bands kind of adjusted a little bit more, rounded out so that they sit just like that. They fly though. Super cute. So these are another pair of glasses called Retro, but these are the hunter green with gold embellishment, gold outlining. Look how pretty that gold looks with that hunter green. Plastic, lightweight, nice gold bridge on the nose. Then you have that slightly kind of cat eye shape, kind of a classic remix classic frame with a cat eye shape. Very subtle. Super cute on, okay? These are those frames that look so cute with bangs. Okay, so up next we have Risa. These are a gold square frame. Pairs well with nude. And so I thought I would do these both together. Risa and ephraim. The ephraim has a nude on the outside and then there's a gold interior in the frame right around the rim of the lenses, which give it this nice gold character. I love that gold and that nude together. Definitely a great combination. Okay, next up we have Retro. So these frames are a nice blend of gray, has that mustard yellow. I would say kind of like a gray going into like an ombre. So it has that gray, mustard yellow, gold frame, and a little bit of tortoise at the bottom for character. These are super cute. Lightweight. Get into these details. Like this gold framing is just too cute. Too cute. All right, now we have these nice round, another gold frame. I love the details in these frames. You see that cute little cage design on the side? Just so you can see how big these glasses are. And they're on the bridge of my nose. I mean, yeah. Pretty large frame. I would say larger, on a larger scale. More of a fuller frame, but you know, rounder frames give you that fullness. Super, super cute. Let me just show you the detail. So this bridge here is a little wider. And that's something to consider if you're looking for something and you can't really see, you know, the perspective of how big these are on my face. This bridge is wider than usual. So you can tell that this is a more larger, wider frame. So it has that black band on the end of the arms. Nice thin armband, also gold. And you can see the details in that cage design. I'm calling it a cage design. I don't know what they're calling it, but that's what it reminds me of. Again, to show you them on. All right, so we're going to end this review with Frasier. These are a fluorescent pink and like a marble style print aviator frame. It went well with my cheetah print shawl, so, you know, it was definitely giving me cheetah vibes. So this marble tone is a translucent white and black, and the pink is very bright and vibrant. And if you're into aviators, get you some. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I want to hear from you guys. And of course, live life on purpose with purpose. Love you guys.